Hi, it's Jason from Jason's Jungle. Topsetting onions, walking onions, Egyptian onions, tree onions. What's the difference? Come on, I'll show you. So here's a topsetting onion. You can see it's got sets at the top, hence the name. These sets are little bulbs that will be able to go into new plants next year. But if you notice, there's flowers poking out all over the place. And if we follow this flower coming off to the left, you can see that it has flowers on top. Yeah, and those flowers could also then produce more flower stalks. So it ends up branching out and branching out. And that's why we call it a tree onion. Down here we have a flower stem that's fallen over. If we follow that flower stem, we should end up coming down to this little set of bulbils here. So that's taken the first step away from the mother plant. So now it's starting to walk across the greenhouse. And of course that'll put down roots and create a new bunch of plants. And it's already got its leaves coming up, and it's already got its flower stalks. So its own little group there is starting the journey again. And now with that flower stalk will form its own bulbils, and those will drop down and it will take another step away from the original plant and move further along the greenhouse. So that's why they're called walking onions. Now if you want to know why they're called Egyptian onions, I've got three hypotheses. Or it's hypothesi, I don't know. There's three ideas. One is that they were marketing ploys. At a time when anything with Egypt in its name would sell, they decided to whack it onto the onions. The second is because of the walking habit. As it walks, it travels, so it might have got the name by association with gypsies. So the phrase gypsy comes from the stock Egyptian. And the third, and what I think is the most likely hypothesis, is they were named by a time-travelling fan of the Bangles. You know? Okay, so that's the onions in a nutshell. Which would be a strange place to go, onions. But if you've liked this, click like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And you'd like to see more of these. Ring the bell. And share amongst your friends or your enemies, and leave a comment underneath, and I will see you on not my last video, you can watch my last video as well, but I'll see you on the next video instead, or I'll see you on both of them. See you later.